Ever wished there was a magical way to pay for your daily essentials and instantly get money back? What if I told you that magic already exists, right in your pocket? We're talking about combining the seamless convenience of Singtel DASH with the rewarding power of FavePay. If you're in Singapore and looking to maximize your savings while making everyday transactions, then this is for you. Many of us are already familiar with Singtel DASH. It's a powerhouse mobile wallet that lets you do everything from paying bills to remitting money. And FavePay? It's a fantastic loyalty program that gives you instant cashback at tons of your favorite merchants. The good news is, these two work beautifully together, allowing you to unlock more savings and make your payments even smoother. Think of it as a double win, the ease of a unified payment system plus immediate cashback in your pocket for your next purchase. So, how exactly do you pull off this money-saving magic trick? It's surprisingly simple. Let's walk through the steps to make a FavePay transaction using your Singtel DASH app. First things first, you'll want to launch your Singtel DASH app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure you have all the features and a smooth experience. Once you're in the app and on the home screen, look for the scan button. This is usually pretty prominent, often displayed as a QR code icon. Tap on that to activate your phone's camera for scanning. Now, at the merchant's counter, you'll typically see an SG-QR code. This is Singapore's unified QR code, and it's designed to work with various payment apps, including Singtel DASH. Simply point your camera at this SG-QR code. The app will automatically detect it and recognize the merchant. After a successful scan, the Singtel DASH app will prompt you to enter the bill amount. Double-check the amount to ensure it matches your total purchase. Accuracy is key here to avoid any discrepancies. Once you've entered the correct amount, take a moment to review all the payment details presented on your screen. Confirm that the merchant name and the amount are accurate. This quick check helps prevent any errors before finalizing the transaction. When you're confident everything is correct, tap on the Confirm button to proceed with your payment. The app will then process your transaction. This usually happens in a matter of seconds. Upon successful payment, you'll see a confirmation page displayed within your Singtel DASH app. It's a good idea to show this confirmation screen to the cashier as proof of payment. The best part? If the merchant is a Fave partnered outlet, your eligible partner cashback will be credited to your account instantly. To view your earned cashback, you can simply tap on the Fave icon within your Singtel DASH app. It will be listed under My Cashback. This cashback can then be used to offset your next purchase at the same merchant, giving you continuous savings. It's like being rewarded for something you were going to buy anyway. You don't even need a separate Fave account to earn this cashback when paying with Singtel DASH, though linking your existing Fave account can help you consolidate all your cashback in one place for easier tracking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.